NAS Electronics offers a complete line of solder and flux-bearing leads for various packaging needs, including single inline, dual inline, zigzag inline, and quad configurations. We offer numerous lead designs in various center lines and different materials. Whether your application is a hybrid circuit, PC board, multi-chip module, or memory module, NAS is your address for high-quality edge clips. NAS Electronics is the only edge clip manufacturer whose leads embody a precise, predetermined amount of solder and flux. The result is excellent electrical and mechanical bonding of the leads to the substrate. NAS leads save the time, effort, and expense required to apply solder and flux, produce consistent, high-quality solder joints, and significantly reduce inspection and rework times. You can save more time and money by incorporating NAS solder and flux-bearing leads into your production process using one of our semi-automatic lead attachment machines. Our complete line includes SIP, DIP, quad, and press-fit lead insertion machines with or without reflow. Our SSY 4321 is a semi-automatic machine with hot bar reflow for single inline packages. It's capable of assembly, reflow, and lead trimming in one continuous operation. The machine is fed by a reel of our solder and flux-bearing leads. The production parameters are programmed by an easy-to-use console that can store up to 10 different production programs. If required, the machine can eliminate any combination of unwanted leads according to a predetermined I/O layout. The machine's insertion nest can accommodate double-sided pre-populated substrates or PC boards in dimensions of 0.4 inches to 4.3 inches in length by 0.3 inches to 3 inches in width. Insertion of multiple substrates is possible. The reflow station consists of a preheat unit that circulates air in temperatures of 176 degrees Fahrenheit to 340 degrees Fahrenheit, and a hot bar device whose temperature can be adjusted to a maximum of 750 degrees Fahrenheit. An optional lead trimming device is available to cut the leads to a specific length. The assembled circuits can be separated by a strip cutting device or rewound on a reel. To verify the operating temperature of the reflow unit, the machine has 3 displays that show the preset temperature and the actual temperature in 3 locations. With the SSY 4321, the assembly and reflow of our flux and solder bearing leads is as easy as 1, 2, 3. All the operator has to do is place the PCB or substrate in the nest and either push a button or depress a foot pedal. An optional feed magazine is available for a fully automatic operation. Depending on substrate material and solder type, reflow time can vary from 3 to 5 seconds. The SSY 4321 can complete up to 1,000 substrates per hour based on a 2-inch length circuit. Each of our assembly machines has a console that allows easy input of production parameters. These parameters include temperature and time data for the solder reflow, insertion depth, travel distance, strip and substrate lengths, pitch level, and more. The production data can be saved on any of the 10 internal buffers or on an external memory card. The SSY 4320 is similar to the SSY 4321, but without the reflow station. This machine can assemble up to 1,500 substrates per hour. For dual inline packaging applications, our SSY 4360 is a semi-automatic lead frame insertion machine. A complete lead frame assembly requires 2 cycles, 1 per each side of the substrate. The SSY 4370 is a double-sided version of the SSY 4360. It offers a one-cycle assembly of dual inline packages. Both the SSY 4360 and SSY 4370 are available with a hot bar reflow station. Our SSY 4456 is designed for semi-automatic lead attachment of quad substrates. It offers fast, accurate four-side assembly. The insertion nest can accommodate double-sided pre-populated substrates from 0.65 inches to 4 inches in either square or rectangular layouts. All the operator has to do is drop the substrate into the nest and either push a button or depress a foot pedal. After the first two sides are assembled, the operator simply rotates the nest 90 degrees and the other two sides are assembled. The machine's video camera and monitor are used for pre-production alignment and production inspection. The machine's computerized control system is programmed by an easy-to-use 3-key panel and an LCD display. Note that the SSY 4455 for single-side assembly is also available. The perfect complement to the 4456 is our HBS 4422, a semi-automatic reflow machine for quad substrates. Leads are reflowed on two edges at a time. Then, the nest rotates automatically, and the other two edges are reflowed. The operator can program the reflow and cooling time and make manual adjustments through the keypad and LCD display. Reflow temperature is set and monitored through separate controllers. For press-fit leads, our SSY 4271 provides complete semi-automatic assembly and reflow of zip-style press fits. Like our 4321, the 4271 is a literal 6-foot factory, including a programming console, insertion nest, hot bar reflow station with temperature displays, and strip cutting device. The two reels of leads feed into the machine simultaneously. The operator simply inserts the PC board and pushes a lever to assemble the rear side. The machine does the rest. It automatically assembles the front side, reflows both sides simultaneously using a temperature-controlled hot bar system, and, if desired, trims off the lead carrier strip and then separates the individual boards. NAS Electronics offers many more assembly machines, hand tools, and reflow systems to meet the needs of customers with different production scales. NAS Electronics has supplied many billions of flux and solder-bearing leads to leading manufacturers in the electronics industry, including AT&T, Motorola, Texas Instruments, Hewlett-Packard, and many more. All of our customers have discovered that our unique edge clips result in a significant reduction in production costs and improvement in product quality. We offer a wide variety of product designs in various center lines and different materials. You can also choose the type of flux and solder incorporated in the lead, including no-clean and water-soluble. To receive more information on the products that best fit your production